welcome back. Happy Wednesday. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I am super excited because today's unboxing is a little bit different than what I normally do. So, for those of you that do not know, there is a lovely, lovely lady named Jessica, and she has a YouTube channel, No Drama Makeup Mama. I will make sure to put a link to her channel down below. But what is so awesome is she is starting her own subscription box, you guys, and she sent me one to unbox. So I am so honored. Thank you, Jessica, so much. It did come in this regular USPS box, and I have taken the items out. I am going to start with one that is not related to the subscription box, and it says this is my late birthday present. So thank you, Jessica. That is so sweet. So I'm going to see what this is. And like I said, I will put a link to her channel down below, and any information once I get into the subscription that I can get from it, I will let you know down below as well. So let's open my birthday present first. Thank you, Jessica. You are so sweet. I do know she said it was some kind of art for my wall back here. See, she wrapped it up really, really well. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Girl, did you paint this? That is beautiful. That is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Did you do this? Jessica, this is amazing. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to find another nail to put it up there. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Okay, so when I opened the box, obviously that was there, and then we have this super cute box. Like, this is like magnetic, so cute. But there was also this. So I'm not sure what this is, so we'll start here. She's so, like, detail-oriented. I know I've said in so many videos that presentation is so important to me, so Jessica, you are already off to a wonderful start with, you know, the presentation that you're doing here. If this is, part of your subscription, you know, you're definitely, oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. It says, live by faith, grow in grace, walk in love. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Girl, you are so talented. Seriously, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm like at a loss for words already. And we haven't even gotten into the box, which again is so cute and something you could totally repurpose. So big props to this. Like I said, it is so beautiful. I love this. So let's open it up. Oh, I see teal. That's my favorite. Oh, the sea turtles. Okay. All right. So there is a card here on top. So let me open this. And I'm not sure if maybe this is her logo. Be Still Boutique is what the sticker here on the back of the card says. Well, maybe I should have shown you before I opened it. Nicki, thank you so much for taking the time to check out Be Still Boxes. Okay, so that is the name of her subscription. Awesome. It isn't monthly, just whenever you need a self-care moment or want to gift someone else with one. Each box is one of a kind with a hand-painted 5x7 canvas, 2 jewelry items, 2 health and beauty items, 2 makeup items, and fashion accessory for $45. Um, okay, so it looks from what I'm seeing here, she actually has like an Instagram site for it, which is Be Still Boxes. So at Be Still Boxes. Um, thank you again, and I hope you enjoy the items I selected for you. Don't forget, take a breath and be still. Love, Jess, aka No Drama Makeup Mama. So, okay, so we have a name, which is Be Still Boxes. So right now, this is not technically a subscription. It is like a box where you can order whenever you need to pick me up, or if you want to send a gift. So this, the 5x7, does come with every box, which is awesome. And that is so beautiful again. So, all right. So let's take that. And here we have this: acts of tenderness soothe the world one soul at a time. That is beautiful. So that's just a little card. And then we have just some more tissue paper. All right, so this is what I'm seeing when I pull everything back. Awesome, it's like loaded. All right. So right here on top, the first thing that caught my eye was Live Colorfully by Kate Spade. It is a perfume. I've smelled some of her perfumes, but I don't think I've smelled this one. Let's see. Oh, that smells really good. It's a little floral, which I typically don't care for, but this smells so good. So again, this was the Kate Spade New York Live Colorfully. Oh, we're off to a wonderful start. And I see some little packs of Haribo Gold Bear gummy bears. If I don't enjoy these, Christopher certainly will. Or my husband. He's on this like gummy bear kick. I don't know what he's up to, but all right. So I'm going to start with this, and it says, "Yes, you can." And then follow your own path. So every item is like individually wrapped. That is awesome. And again, the Be Still there. All right, so we have something here from Ruby May. I have never tried anything from Ruby May, but I have heard of them, and I've heard good things. And this says Fairy Dust Loose Powder Highlighter. Awesome. It is cruelty free. So here is the outer packaging. Oh, I can already, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Okay, so this is the actual packaging here, and it's like a pink. You guys see that? That is so pretty. There actually is a little bit here in the lid, so I'm gonna not attempt to open those. I don't have the best luck opening those on camera, so I'm going to see if I can just kind of, oh yes, look, oh my goodness. And that was like, can you see that right there? I know I'm so pale, but you can see the sparkle, and that was like literally just from a little bit on the lid, so that is awesome. Oh yay, thank you. Okay, and then we have something here in this little bag. Oh, okay. So I love little headbands. Like, I have the plush ones, you know, for when I do masks and things. But I've seen these and I've actually wanted one. So this is awesome. This is like the knotted type headband. And obviously it is stretchy. So that is so cute. I will definitely be wearing this. This is adorable. Thank you so much. This is awesome. Girl, you did a good job. All right, so we have something here. It says, find joy in the ordinary. Don't forget to play. Life is better happy and the little things. So even just like wrapping up these products, she takes the time to put these little stickers, and that is just awesome. All right, so here we have from Reka, I hope I'm saying that correctly, a turmeric lemon peel off mask. It is cruelty free and it's vegan, so that is awesome. So here is the package. And I know turmeric is so good for your skin. All right, so here is the actual bottle. Apply evenly over face, avoiding the area around the eyes. Allow 15 to 25 minutes for peel to dry. Gently remove peel from the sides. Use once to twice a week. And it says do not apply on broken or inflamed skin. Awesome. So I'm excited to give that a try. Peel off masks sometimes scare me, but I'm going to take advice that I've heard, and that's to apply a little thicker layer so it doesn't hurt as much coming off. Oh, and then we have from Reka as well. So this must be what we can use to apply it. And I do not have one of these, and I've been meaning to get one, and I just never remember when I'm out and about. One of the little mask applicators. So this may help to get it even, and yay. All right, so we still have quite a few things. So we have something here in this cute little pink box. Oh my goodness, these are, okay, so this is a pair of earrings. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Look at those. They're like the druzy crystal. Those are beautiful. I don't have any earrings like dangly big like this with the druzy. Those are amazing. Oh, I love those. Thank you. We have another box here. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is like so gorgeous. Look at this watch, you guys. It's like a rose gold, and then it has like the crystals around, and this like mint green, seafoam green face. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Jessica. This is awesome. And there's still more stuff in here. All right, so this says, never look back, embrace the journey. All right, and this is from Formula 1006 Seaside Glow Skin Hydrating Peel Mask with Algae and Sea Clay. So we have another peel mask. Awesome. This hydrating peel mask dives deep to deposit a nourishing moisture barrier. Marine algae delivers nutrients to hydrate and condition, while sea clay minimizes the looks of pores and soaks up unwanted oils. Behold a dazzling seaside glow. All right. All right, and then we have this. It says, do good always. Keep life simple. Whoa, what is, there's a lot in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is from Living Proof. We have the Perfect Hair Day shampoo, conditioner, and the Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox shampoo, hair and scalp shampoo. So here's the regular shampoo and conditioner. And then the triple detox shampoo. And these are good sizes. These are each 1 fluid ounce. So these aren't like little foil packets or anything. These are good sizes. And living proof is awesome. This is, oh, yay. All right, so we have one more thing here. And this says, fantastic, be awesome. Oh, this is from Bare Minerals. It is a lipstick, Gen Nude Radiant Lipstick in Bubbles. I have a couple Bare Mineral like lip glosses. I don't know if I have a Bare Minerals actual like bullet lipstick, but I do love the formula of their gloss, and so I'm sure I will love this. Oh, and this is a nice nude. That is so pretty. Oh, and it's like so creamy. That is awesome. Thank you. Oh, that would help if I put the lid on correctly. So the Bare Minerals lipstick. Girl, you outdid yourself. She even had the foam in here, like all, like the box, the painting, the watch, the earrings, the headband, the highlighter, the perfume, the 2 masks, the little applicator, the living proof products. This was fantastic. Thank you so much, Jessica. Again, I will put a link to her YouTube channel down below, and definitely head over to Instagram. I will put that information down below for you as well, and check her out on Be Still Boxes. This is fantastic. You did amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.